Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Make sure your Realme has at least 20% battery and is unlocked. Open settings from the home screen or app drawer. Once inside, either tap the search bar and type language or scroll to system or system management. This speeds things up. You do not need backup for language changes, but take note of the current language name in case you need to revert. Keep the phone steady. Making choices while navigating menus avoids accidental toggles and saves time. Now tap language and region or the language option you found. You will see current languages listed. Press Add Language or the plus icon to open the selection list. Scroll or search for the target language. Once found, tap it to add. After adding, make sure you move the new language to the top of the list or select Set as Primary. This action applies the change immediately. You should watch UI elements switch. If icons remain unfamiliar, pause and confirm the chosen language name. Finish by confirming the new language is the primary entry. Realme usually applies it right away. If the interface feels slow or mixed, restart the phone to ensure all system apps reload in the new language. If text becomes unreadable, use familiar icons to navigate. Settings right arrow system right arrow language, or add a second language you recognize. If the change fails or menus freeze, go to Settings Backup and Restore or Safe Mode to undo recent changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.